So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me how to upgrade your MacBook, so let's go straight into it. You go to System Settings, then you go to General right here, and here you'll see the part that says Software Update. So just click here and wait for it to actually, let's say, load, and you'll see that it says Upgrade to, and it will put you the latest version that you have not actually updated your software. Okay, so it's really quite fast. It's just that you've got to see where the actual updates and wait for it. There you go. Even though it's maybe takes a while, it will eventually upgrade. There you go. Apple software, blah blah blah. You click agree, and then you put your password, and then automatically you'll see that in a sense it will actually download. Okay, it's really that simple. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, it's downloading. It will take a while, especially if your Wi-Fi isn't great, but you shouldn't have any issues, and then it will ask to restart, and that's basically it. So as always, leave it in the comment down here below if you've got any questions, and thank you very much.